Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking part in the Chic for Cheap Crafts Challenge that is hosted by Christy Creates. This month her co-host is Crafting with Cass. And we are challenged to take a higher end item and remake it for less. So for my DIY today, I'm going to be remaking this oar print for my boys' bathroom. The original cost was $40 and I'm going to make it for $3. Now these 3 frames that I picked up from Dollar Tree from their Valentine's section is perfect for this project. I love the wooden frame part. I just need to change the center. So I am going to use Dollar Tree sandpaper and I am going to sand down all of the sparkly letters, and it's going to take a little bit of muscle. I'm not going to lie. It does take a little bit to get all of the raised letters off of the boards. This is how they looked after really sanding them down well. Now I'm going to be painting all 3 of them white, and I'm just going to use some leftover house paint, but if you have chalk paint or craft paint, any of white paint will work just fine, and it did take 2 coats. Now what I love about this DIY is you could do anything with any colors and any theme to match your home decor. My boys' bathroom is a coastal kind of feel and theme. That's why I picked oars. You could use so many other ideas though for this, so be really creative and make your own. Now, to make the actual oar that I'm going to trace onto my frames, all I did was look up some clip art on Google, and I copied and pasted it into a Word doc. I spin it around so that it would fit the whole page the way that I want it to. Basically, I want to be able to put 2 oars on one page, and I just printed it out. It was really simple, but I would say you do want a simple design. You don't want something very detailed for this. Now you could use tracing paper if you have it, but I am just going to use a pencil and I am going to shade in all around the edge of the paddle or the oar, whatever you want to call it, so that I can trace this design right onto the board. Now I want to take some time and introduce myself. If you are new to my channel, my name is Julie and I share budget-friendly decor ideas for your home. So if you like those kind of videos, please subscribe so that you can join my family, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's continue crafting. Now I only had to do the pencil shadowing for the tracing one time and it worked for tracing it onto all 3 boards, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't have to keep redoing that. Now this middle board is just going to be straight lines for continuing the oar. One thing I would say is you want to make sure that you line up your boards when you're doing this so that it looks like one continual picture and not, you don't want it all misaligned, so it's pretty important. Now we are ready to paint. I am going to use this Coastal Blue by Rust-Oleum, and I'm going to use this specific paintbrush. It's kind of a flat one, and then all I do is make dash marks, and I'm trying to vary them so that some of them are a little bit bigger than others because I want it to look hand painted and I don't want it to look too symmetrical. And I also want to make sure that the lines continue, like, you know, you want the symmetry to continue from one end of the oar all the way to the other end. And here is the finished product. I absolutely love it. It is exactly what I wanted, and it fits the bathroom perfectly. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this DIY and if you will try to make something like it. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!